What's going on, man? We out here again. It's about 12 o'clock and midnight. Shit. Anyway, got a little surprise for the whip. I'm out here converting these hubs from 24 millimeter to 22 millimeter, as you can see. I think that is a damn awesome job. Still leaving the hex. The reason why I am because just got some new shoes for the kid. Look at that shit. That shit look like a damn Fugado 4G. 4G. I pronounce it Fugado, but it's actually 4G. Look at that shit right there. Oh, beautiful. So to get these wheels on, what I got to do is basically these are Red Cat wheels, right? So I like these because they're a bigger diameter and they look good. They're shiny. They're actual rim. So plus they got that metal ring right there to keep that from expanding. So you know, putting the power down, whatnot. Plus it look good. It looks real good. But the issue with these is the hub on this one is a 24 millimeter. These are 23. All right. So what I'm basically doing is I've got some. It's best to do that. Like these right here, the actual stock hubs that come with the car. You know, and they come with the with like a little clip. So what I did was I ordered some of these CNC aluminum ones, and I'm actually cutting these down to size. Like this one here, as you see, I've already done this one. This is, I left the back 24 millimeters so it could fit on the actual, you know, thing, and I cut the front to 22 millimeter. See that? The main thing is to make sure you keep this flat, nice and flat with the edges, so it can grab and it's not going to strip out, because that 45cc engine is a lot of power. And it's very violent in here. It's spinning. These tires, even on the ground, even in grass, it's spinning. These tires, like they're spinning, they're burning out. So you don't never want to spin this hex out. See this hex here, see how that looks? It's got to fit inside that hex there. So you want it tight. So the way I did it is I used the tool on it, test fitted it, used the tool on it, test fitted it. All right. And I've already got 2 of them done, and they fit perfectly. They're nice and tight, and I'm doing a third. So, and when I'm done, it's gonna look like, because the reason why I didn't want to just go ahead and get 23 millimeter hole hubs is because my disc brakes are, for the Rovan, is 24. So I want to keep my disc brakes. So customize that and put that on there, and it's gonna look good. See that? And that wheel is significantly way larger than that, and it looks good. I mean, it looks dope. So yo, let me get finished, and when we get done, I'll show it to you. First race is tomorrow.